Hey, I'm Gary Britten with Britten Farms. Welcome to New Tool Tuesday. This is something that we're going to be starting. We got a few manufacturers sending us out some tools for us to use here on our farm. Today, we would like to thank Wooders for their donation. This is a 12-volt cordless ratchet wrench. This packet includes a 10-time socket with 3/8 inch drive. It has 1/2 inch adapter, 1 extension bar, and 1 fastener. This is going to come in real handy for on the farm, whether we be working on our tractor or our balers or our hay equipment, whether it be the tedder or the rake, what have you. This is just going to come in real handy. We'll open this kit up here. It comes in this nice sturdy box. You got your instructions right there with it. We'll set that to the side. Right here is the sockets that it comes with. This here is your adapter. And then you can see right here, there is your other sockets and your extension. You do have the charger with it. It does have 2 batteries. We'll go ahead and get this ratchet out here. If my stuff don't blow away there. We'll stick the battery in it like that. And then this is kind of compact. You can get into some tight places with it. The cordless is going to be a lot easier than doing with the ratchet in some places, to where it's kind of hard to reach and trying hard to get that ratchet in. Again, we do want to thank Wooders for their donation. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to get you one. Okay, let's take you up here and get y'all a little closer look on this wrench. Okay, here's you a closer look at it. Like I was saying earlier, here is you some extra sockets that it comes with. You got your little adapter there. You do have some extra sockets here. You got your extension. You got your charger. You got your 2 12-volt batteries. You stick it in there like that. Well, yeah, like that. You do have a little light there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Got the forward and reverse. The lock, that locks it there. I'm sorry. Then you got your forward and reverse right there. It's going to come in real handy here on the farm. Take your battery out. You can store it in your box right there. Keep your owner's manual with it. That way you can have it at all times. Like I said, it comes with this good handy storage case. It's going to protect your tool. Well, it looks like it's going to be the end of this video. If y'all like this type of content, don't care if y'all haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Click that little bell and get notified when we do have new videos. It would greatly help us out. Won't cost you anything. I'd love to have you here on the channel. Like I always say, saving 1 horse won't change the world, but it'll change the world for that 1 horse. Y'all have a good day and God bless.